Hello my dear students, today we will do if else. So what is if else? If else are the two keywords, one is if and second is else, through which we can check if any condition is true or false and what we need to do if the condition is true or false. That can be done by using if and else. Okay. So the condition, if the condition is true, then statement inside the if are executed and in else are skipped. This means कि अगर आपके प्रोग्राम में if के पेरेंथेसिस में जो कंडीशन है वो ट्रू है तो जो if का एनक्लोज स्टेटमेंट होगा वो आपका एग्जीक्यूट होता है और else वाला पार्ट जो भी होगा इन ब्रेसेस और विदाउट ब्रेसेस वो एग्जीक्यूट होता है अगर ये कंडीशन फॉल्स हो. ठीक है. सो ये यहाँ पे यही लिखा है कि अगर कंडीशन ट्रू होती है, अगर ये कंडीशन ट्रू होती है तो इफ वाला स्टेटमेंट चलेगा, एल्स अगर वो फॉल्स है तो ये वाला चलेगा, फिर ये वाला स्किप हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स सी दी सिंटैक्स. सो व्हाट इज द सिंटैक्स? इफ कीवर्ड, everything will be in small case and here we need to write the condition. Okay. If you are having a single statement, then without curly braces you can write it here as statement if. That is only a single statement, then that is valid. Now here if this condition is true, this statement will run. Else if the condition is false, whatever here will run. Okay. Now if you are having more than one statement, it means अगर यहाँ पर आपका एक से ज्यादा स्टेटमेंट है, then you will need to use the pair of curly braces and similarly here. If you are having more than one statement, then you have to use curly braces, otherwise the single statement, first statement will run, will executed and other will not be executed. And if you're using else in that, in the case of multiple statements and curly braces, then that can throw a compiler error. So this is the syntax where you need to write if, in parentheses you need to write condition. Here you will write the statements which you want to execute if the condition is true. If the condition is false, then you need to write the statements here in the else body. Okay, hope you understood the syntax. Now this is the flowchart of the if else. Here you will need to use a condition. If that is true, the code inside if body runs. If the condition written over here is false, then this part will be executed and then normal flow will be continued. Now let's see the example. Hash include stdio.h. It's a library that we need to import, include in our program. Int main, this is the main from where the program execution gets started. Now we're doing a program where we are checking the age of the person, if that person is able to vote or not, if he or she is eligible to vote or not. Okay. Now you have taken one variable, that is age, and we have taken the value from the user by using scanf. Now whatever the age will be entered by the user, if that age is greater than 18, now it means that this is the condition. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. Now here we are using curly braces. If it is single statement, no need to use this. Okay. If here multiple statements, then you need to use this curly braces ka pair. Now if this condition gets false, then else part will run. Okay, it means this statement will run. Again, if you are having multiple statements, you need to use this. If you are having a single statement what is valid in this program, then you don't need to use the curly braces ka pair. Now run this. Now it's telling to enter the age. Now I am entering 17. Enter. You are not eligible for voting. Why? Because 17 is smaller than 18, it means this condition is false, and if this is false then it will execute the else part, and in the else part there is only one statement, you are not eligible, that is printed over here. Now run again. 21, enter. Now 21 is greater than 18, it means the if statement is true and the print statement you are eligible for voting will be printed. So it was the very simple program of the if else. Hope you understood, and you can continue with the next video where we will do the variants of if else. Thank you so much. If you like this video then please like the video. Thank you.